Today we are looking at the Gantry Machining Center GMC1312. Work table size 1400 times 1050. 4 axis. BT40 Taiwan 8000 RPM spindle. Taiwan Heaven linear rails and screw. Customer choose a syntax system, and its configuration standard is Phoenix system. Air storage tank to ensure the stability of spindle tool change. Herge automatic centralized lubrication device. High-pressure air guns and high-pressure water guns. Taiwan 24-arm tool magazine. Equipped with screw-type chip conveyor on the both sides. And the chain-type chip conveyor. If you are interested in this, please contact us.